Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day, a little bit cold, but it's incredibly sunny, so I'm very happy. And now we are going to prepare something that is very special for me. In Italian it's called bomboniera. It was an ice cream that I was used to eat at the cinema, like probably most of you eat popcorn. When I was young, in the cinema they were selling these little chocolate balls with vanilla inside, and they were typical in the cinema. So now we'll go to prepare them ketogenic, of course, 6 different flavors, and I hope you will like them too. I will prepare, I will go to the gym, and then when I come back I will show you how they are.
You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, let you think we are crazy.
To redo this childhood sweet memory, we will need dark chocolate.
You still amaze me.
This is 90% dark chocolate.
Now that we've come so far,
Mascarpone cheese and heavy cream.
we are. See the bond.
And to give it 6 different flavors, we will need sweetener, instant coffee,
And we really got them. Yeah, we sure did right.
peanut butter, unsweetened cacao, cinnamon and vanilla seeds or extract or flavor.
Gave them one little finger and the door shut.
So you already understand that this is gonna be easy and fun, but let's start by melting our chocolate. To do so, you could use 2 techniques. The first one is microwave, and the second one is what I'm doing right now. It's called bain-marie or double water technique.
Standing stronger than them, let you think we are.
You just have to put a bowl on the top of the pot with water underneath. The water should never touch the bowl, and it must be very gentle, so the heating is medium-low, and just wait, your kitchen will smell amazingly. So that's my favorite technique. Meanwhile, we could whip our heavy cream together with the sweetener, and I never do it by hand because I tried once and it's very hard. So I use an electric mixer.
Although it's thick,
Now that the cream is whipped and the chocolate is melted, we can put the chocolate inside the silicone mold. I use this one, they are half sphere, because it's the classic form of the ice cream I was used to eat at the cinema. So I love it, but every shape will work. It's important not to choose a too big mold because it will be cold, it will be hard, and it's complicated to eat if you have big ice creams.
I looked up from where I sat.
And now, while our chocolate into the mold is freezing into our freezer,
So is it true? No one's taking.
we can prepare the inside part, the ice cream, putting 1 spoon of this heavy cream together with the mascarpone cheese inside every flavor.
No good, they said. You could do much better, but you gave them one.
I can tell you that this is a big quantity of ice cream because I use 250 grams mascarpone and 250 grams of heavy cream,
Each other we're free.
but we will eat it as a dessert, so not everything will go into the bomboniere, into the classic Italian ice cream.
Standing stronger than them, let you think we are.
But it will be perfect with just 1 spoon. So let's mix the vanilla, the cacao, the cinnamon, everything we choose together with this white deliciousness.
Now that we
And if you have any new idea for other flavors, always ketogenic of course, you can write them here below and you will help all the community to have new delicious ketogenic desserts.
now that I'm not afraid, and we really got them.
Now that our chocolate is completely hard and very cold, we can feel it.
I was no good, they said.
As you can see, I didn't do a perfect job, neither with the chocolate nor with the filling. So don't worry if something goes wrong, because it will be delicious anyway. We are not looking for perfection here, we are looking for ketogenic ideas, happiness and fun. So I'm waiting for the pics of your ice cream in my Instagram account. You know, I'm not a master chef, so I need you. I need the inspiration that you always give me. So please send them without any problem with a private message on my Instagram. You can find me as LCHF_Italian or with my normal name, Barbara Minati. You always make me very happy and you give me a lot of new ideas. And now all our flavored ice cream are filled. Do you remember the flavor? Instant coffee, peanut butter, unsweetened cacao, cinnamon and vanilla. So it's time for the last one, the basic, the one just made with heavy cream, mascarpone and sweetener. And also time to close our half bowls with other dark chocolate, the melted dark chocolate.
Your first line won't forget.
Talking about chocolate, I would like to remind you always to buy the darkest with the lowest carbs content. You should always read the label and choose the product with the less carbohydrates and sugar, because you never know, there are big differences in different brands. It's 2 hours later, because on YouTube time flies, so it's time also to check our ice cream, to take them out of the mold and to see how they look, and then to try how they taste, the most important moment. Wow, I'm very surprised. They look almost perfect, but as we tell in Italy, not all the donuts come out with a hole, and it means that not everything goes 100% right, and this is the reason I'm telling you this.
Come so far.
I had a little problem with the peanut butter ice cream. As you can see, the chocolate is not on top, it remained into the mold. So I will taste this one, from a problem to a joy. This was delicious, and after cleaning all the kitchen and also my hands, it's time to serve the ice cream, and it's highly recommended to serve it with a good cup of coffee, because it's a perfect combo. I really hope you all liked today's video and you will consider subscribing to my channel. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another ketogenic video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. Thank you all for subscribing and for watching the video till now. I did it without any mistake. I'm so happy. See you next week.
Now that
But don't miss today's walk, because we are going back to the amazing Fotografiska, my favorite museum in Stockholm, the Museum of Photography. And we are going there because there is this exposition called Meeting Sophie. You shouldn't miss it, because pictures are beautiful with a lot of color and sweetness. And the photographer Sophie Snetsana von Budingen, it's a Russian woman that is trying to show the complexity of being different. This girl, she's just a normal 19 years old girl, and it's nice to see her in different moments of life, while trying smoking, laying on a grass, or just being happy, being sad. She's just a normal human being. So integration and inclusion are very important. I totally see my daughter in this picture because she has a similar age. She's 17 and a lot of ups and downs in that age. It's incredible how we are all similar.
You